What's up, guys? Welcome back to VENOMBOYZ Garage. Yeah, we are still working on the 63. Yes, we are. We are doing some wiring. Yeah, I absolutely hate wiring. But, uh, this is going to be a little short video, so I'm not going to go into a whole lot of wiring ideas and blah, 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 and that, But, anyhow, all right, guys, I'll show you what I'm doing, and we'll kick it from there. All right, we got all the dash out and all them wires to the light indicator wires and everything, and of course my coil wires and everything. Shut up, Tweety. But anyhow, I got a bird right in there. But we got all the headlight wires run. We got the ignition wires run. We got the coil wires, everything run. Tail lights is run. I'm running different gauges because if you see on my cluster, it's just indicator lights. I want to actually see what's going on. I want to see if I'm running hot or, Satan's about to come out my motor or, anything like that. But I cannot stand them little gauge things, you know what I'm talking about? Let me see. These things. I can't stand them things hanging in a vehicle. They're so tacky to me. So I made me one. Yeah, it's going to go right up there where that speaker's at, between them two humps. Bet y'all can't guess what that is. Dun, 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 dun. And the answer is, it's a flywheel cover for transmission. Yep. I had an extra one from that 3-speed I pulled out of here. So I was like, you know what? That thing will look good. Mount it right in there. Look yonder. God in the morning. I have 3 humps. It's already painted gray because that's what color the dash and everything is going to be, and the interior is going to be gray and black. So I put my temperature gauge and oil pressure in there. Pop me a couple holes where that speaker used to go. Bada bing, bada boom, done. I got to run me a wire for my sending unit on my fuel tank. If you guys have any idea of the way to get rust out of one of them without me having to buy one, I done spent about $40 on clean material, so another $60 I could have bought me one. But pop them down there in the bottom. Let me know what you got. Yeah, but get that all that put in. I got some sound deadener goes in the floor. Get all the wiring done. My radio put in. All that good stuff. Y'all can tell I already got my little metal braiding I like to run on all my vehicles. And it just looks better, man. It really doesn't do anything for me. It just looks better. It looks more clean. But yeah, I got round tail lights goes in the back. I'm still looking for lumber to go in back here. I hadn't made up my mind what I want to do yet. But yeah, guys, like I said, this is going to be a short video, so I ain't going to go into a whole lot of it. We're getting it wired. We're going to get it wired and get it fired. Yeah. But like I said, this is 63. Getting the wiring done, getting it ready. Yeah, check out my other videos on the 63. Like, subscribe, share them. Make some comments, anything to boost them a little bit. The 63 seems to do good with YouTube. I don't know if it's just the truck's more charismatic than I am, or the truck just makes you want to mellow yellow. If y'all got any mellow yellows around the house y'all don't want to drink, just send them to me. I'll shoot you the address. You can follow me on VENOMBOYZ Garage on Facebook. Send me a friend request, and I'll set it. We'll talk. Yeah, like I say, guys, this is just going to be a short, summed up video. I'll throw a little this and that in there later on, but all right, guys, have a good one.